Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set goals for your workspaces and projects in the time tracking and task tracking application Toggl Track. So let us begin. So head over to Toggl Track, for example, via the web version, and after that log into your account and select the given workspace or organization in the top left you would like to set a goal for. So what you want to do is click into Timer. And here in the timer, you will see this option to the right, goals. So you may expand it and create a new one by clicking into this button or that option here. And after that, go through that menu. You may give the goal a name. For example, then you may search a project, for example, from that menu here. Select the project within your workspace. And then what you want to do is set the duration, at least or less than, and then you can enter the hours here or days, per day, per week, and so on and so forth for specific weekdays. And then also an end date here until. So today we have June 14th. So let me go, for example, with a goal to until the next Sunday. And then you may also create a no date if you like. Select a no date and then create a goal by clicking into this button. And that's basically it. You can also assign an icon to it if you like. And that's how it works, guys. You will see the list of goals here on the right hand side, so that you may track these with your team and see if you can achieve it within your calendar here or a time tracker here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.